Cut the music up. Yeah.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told that lie.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube. My name is Jen. If you are new here, if you are returning, thank you so much for returning. Now today I'm giving you guys a Shein haul. I would like to thank Shein for sponsoring this video. Everything will be linked below, including my size for reference, the discount code, and everything I'm showing you guys today. So everything that I picked up is really cute and classy. I really can't pick a favorite, so I need y'all help, okay? So let's go ahead and start off with this beautiful two-toned pleated dress. It's so elegant. It's everything, okay? You can wear this to a brunch. You can wear it to a party. You can wear it on a date. It's just giving everything it needs to give. So this is the dress. It does come with this cute rose pinned on the dress. Now this dress is pleated at the bottom. It's very flowy. I will insert pictures and videos. I love this. I did pick this up in a XL and it does run kind of big. So if you want to size down, you can go ahead and do so. This dress ranges from a size small all the way to an XL and it's retailing for $22.03. So I just went ahead and I styled this with a cute clutch and my black mules that I picked up from Shein. I will link everything below so you guys can have the links. If you don't want to wear black shoes, you can do clear. I think clear would be very pretty, but this is so cute. So next I chose a two-piece set and this is just absolutely beautiful. I picked this up in a 2XL. Now with this, the top is kind of big on me and the skirt is just right. It's not one of those where you can like pick the size, a different size for the top and a different size for the bottom, but I'm definitely going to reorder this in a smaller size so I can wear the top. So this is the top. It's actually a bodysuit. It has a button at the bottom. It has these cutouts with the rows of pleats. So onto the skirt. This is the mesh maxi skirt and it's just beautiful. One thing that I paid attention to is the material on this mesh, because sometimes when you get mesh anything, it either have rips in it or it's easy to rip. I actually stepped on this skirt and it did not rip. So yeah, this is how it's looking. It has an elastic waist, very stretchy. I just love all of the details that this skirt has. The pleats, everything, like it's just so classy and it's so flowy. Like I would wear this to like a pool party, to the beach if you want to just look real extra on the beach. This would be so cute. You can even wear it out depending on where you're going, you know, you can wear this. So cute. I went ahead and I styled this with the same black mules and also my same black clutch. Next, I went ahead and I picked up a olive green maxi dress. I love how olive green looks on my skin tone and you know, it's neutral so you can wear it with a lot of things. So this is the dress. I picked it up in a 1XL and it is true to size. I love this because it hugs all of my curves. It has ruching like in the waist area, so it kind of cinches your waist. And another thing that I love about this dress is the twist knot on the one shoulder that it has. Super cute. And also it has a mermaid flare at the bottom. Y'all know I love mermaid flare dresses or skirts. And just to class things up a little bit, I went ahead and I wore it with this black shawl. Shein has these in different colors. They're only like $10. This is definitely a piece to complete a look, especially if you're wearing like a maxi dress like I had on and you just want to, you know, jazz it up a little bit. You can just throw this on. And I went ahead and I accessorized it with this purse. This is just luxurious. I love this purse. It's giving me Celine. And this is on Shein for like $11. The quality of this purse is amazing. It's top notch. It's definitely worth the coin. And so this purse has a pocket in the back and then it has 2 compartments inside. very spacious. I will be wearing this a lot because I just love how expensive this looks, and this just goes to show that you don't have to break the bank. So next I went ahead and I picked up this beautiful pleated skirt. It's more like an A-line skirt. I love the colors, I love the design. I got it in a 2XL. It is kind of big. I could have sized down, so keep that in mind. This is how it looks. Super cute. Now I would tell you, one thing that would have just added a great touch to the skirt is just pockets. That would have did it, okay? But anyway, this skirt has an elastic waist in the back, not in the front. And it has a zipper on the side as well. And the flower design, super cute and classy, just a cute extra touch. And I love the way the model modeled this outfit, so I went ahead and I got the same top that she had on. It's this crop top, one shoulder crop top, super cute. I love the material, I love the design, that ruffle design at the top. This is like a ribbed material, but it's very, very stretchy. I picked this up in a 0XL. Yes, a 0XL is very stretchy, but at the same time, it's true to size. And I went ahead and I wore it with a black belt. I will link that below. That is a Coach dupe from Shein and very inexpensive. I just think that that skirt needs something in the middle between the top and the bottom. And I went ahead and I wore my black mules as well. I wore those mules in most of these looks, but yeah, I love this look, super cute. So this next piece is actually a two-piece set and it's shorts. I love this set. When I opened up the package and got this set, I looked at the shorts and I was like, this is way too big, baby. That humbled me real quick, because when I tell you this, these shorts fit me on points. Okay, so yeah. I got this in a 2XL. This is how it looks. I love that it's not too short. It's still giving length and it's not showing too much. The back has an elastic waist. This is so cute. I like this. It's very elegant. It's not, you know, and this is the top. This top, it is off the shoulder and it wraps around the waist. It has a smock detail in the back and then a bell sleeve. This is just a super cute set. You can wear this with like black shoes. I chose clear just because I thought the clear looked better than the black. But yeah, black or clear shoes. You can go ahead and accessorize it with some cute accessories. And y'all know I love anything off the shoulder, so this was definitely up my alley. I just love this. Just keep in mind that this set is not stretchy at all. The smock detail in the shirt at the back is kind of, you know, it gives you that stretch, but the pants, it does not have any stretch. So make sure that you are paying attention to the sizing chart. So that is it for this video, you guys. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please let me know which one of these looks was your favorite, and everything will be linked below. My size, everything that I showed you guys today, and the coupon code. Be sure to use that coupon code. And don't forget, on Sundays when you shop on Shein, you get free shipping. I don't know if y'all knew that. One of my subscribers told me, so thank you. I'm always keep that in mind. So yeah. But anyways, bye y'all.